Prepare to be swept off your feet and into a world of culture, unity, and rhythmic beauty. In the heart of Riau, a record-breaking performance was staged that brought together 22,551 dancers from all walks of life. Picture high school students, press members, and individuals from Aceh to Papua, all moving as one to the beat of the Malay dance. It wasn't just a dance, it was a celebration of unity, diversity, and the rich Malay culture. The grand stage for this breathtaking performance was the iconic Jalan Gajah Mada in Pekanbaru. All thanks to the collaboration of PT Riau Pos Intermedia, Pekanbaru City Education Office, and the Riau Art College. This incredible event now holds a special place in the Asia Book of Records. So join us in celebrating not just a record-breaking feat, but the power of culture, tradition, and the coming together of people from all corners of Indonesia. Stay tuned for more such incredible records right here on the Asia Book of Records YouTube channel.